What a batting performance put up by Team India on day one of this one-off test between India and Afghanistan at New Chandigarh Cricket Stadium. Today, the New Chandigarh Cricket Stadium became the 31st Indian Test venue to host a Test match. It was Guwahati, which started its inaugural Test match, the 30th, which became the 30th Test venue in India to host a Test match. And today, New Chandigarh Cricket Stadium has become the 31st Test venue to host a Test match in India. So, a phenomenal display of batting by India's batsmen. Phenomenal. Like India batsman has finally got the rhythm under the leadership of Shubman Gill ahead of the WTC final. This was just a normal one-off test against Afghanistan. So, as you know, that Afghanistan is not there in the WTC cycle, and even this one-off test of India versus England, India versus Afghanistan, is also not associated with the WTC final. So the rest of the tours, which is India tour of Sri Lanka test, India tour of New Zealand test, then the Border Gavaskar Trophy in home. So, and also one thing is these are all associated with the WTC cycle. So India is very strong, and also look, first of all, I'm and also KL Rahul, Shubman Gill, then Rishabh Pant, Sai Sudarshan. They have put up a solid show with the bat against the Afghanistan Pacers as well as the spinners in that track in New Chandigarh. That was a grassy pitch, but the pitch settled and became easier to bat. So I'm here with the full match report of day one of this one-off test between India and Afghanistan, and also I know also who batted well, who bowled well, and who fielded well, and also cutting of those angles. Look, first of all, Shubman Gill also hosting his first time captaining his team in his home ground, in his hometown, the New Chandigarh Cricket Stadium in Punjab. It's a great honor and privilege for Shubman Gill to lead his country in his hometown in front of his father. Is here, and also another point I'm telling you is Shubman Gill also won the toss and has elected to bowl first as well. Bat first, sorry. Has elected to bat first. I think Shubman Gill has won his second toss as captain. He first won against the West Indies, his first toss against the West Indies at the Arun Jaitley Cricket Stadium in New Delhi. The rest of the tosses which Shubman Gill lost in England was at Leeds, Birmingham, Lords, Manchester, and then also Oval, and also Ahmedabad, and also Kolkata. So Shubman Gill finally has won his second toss of as a Test captain, and also the way Yashasvi Jaiswal and KL Rahul started pretty strong against Ziaur Rahman and Azmatullah Umarzai. It's been phenomenal, and you see that Ziaur Rahman was getting some good swing and shape with the new ball. Even Azmatullah Umarzai was getting good swing and shape with the bounce. With the new ball, was carrying pretty well, angling away to the batsman. And look, like Azmatullah Umarzai has good swing and good potential in himself, and also the swing carries well, and the new ball in that grassy pitch in the sunny morning in Chandigarh. So the new ball in the beginning, there was moisture early on, and also first of all, and also the ball was swinging pretty well by Azmatullah Umarzai and Zia Rahman and Salim. So first of all, Yashasvi Jaiswal started strong, and the way KL Rahul batted was exceptionally well. KL Rahul has been a phenomenal player, and also the way he getting those flick shots and hitting the shot over covers, and also against I think it was Ziaur Rahman when he tried to hit the cut shot and went to the wicketkeeper. They appealed, but the umpire said it was not out, and that was a loss for Afghanistan. They didn't take the review. If they should have taken the review, there was literally an edge detected in KL Rahul's bat. They missed that opportunity, and Hashmatullah Shahidi didn't take the review. Then also Yashasvi Jaiswal, after hitting a couple of boundaries, started pretty strong with a positive intent, as he usually gives those phenomenal starts in Test match cricket. Yashasvi Jaiswal, and after a boundary, when he was trying to hit that flick over the leg side, it caught the edge and was taken. And also Salim got the wicket of Yashasvi Jaiswal. Yashasvi Jaiswal had to go for 24. Then came Sai Sudarshan. Sai Sudarshan also has been phenomenal, coming off to a magnificent IPL campaign and also to a magnificent 50 today at the second innings against Afghanistan. It's been phenomenal, and you see, Sai Sudarshan has finally got the rhythm, and also against Karauti spinner. That Karauti was bowling extremely well in the beginning, and also the ball when Sai Sudarshan attempted the defense, the ball turned, caught the edge, and was dropped by Ramanullah Gurbaz at the slip cordon. Then a brilliant sweep by Sai Sudarshan for a boundary. Then KL Rahul, as I said in all of my videos, that KL Rahul is a very calm and defensive batsman in Test cricket, how he is, and also KL Rahul doesn't take such risk in in those test matches again, be it an off spinner or leg spinner. He reads the ball well and then scores 100. And also one thing is that uh, and also KL Rahul has been a phenomenal player in Test cricket. Then also another point I'm telling you is that KL Rahul has been phenomenal. He got to a 50. The way he was counter attacking against the spinners of Karauti and then Abdul Malik has been phenomenal. And against also Hashmatullah Shahidi, the Afghanistan captain. I think Hashmatullah Shahidi started pretty strong by bowling a good little turn and bounce and drift to Sai Sudarshan. He started pretty strong here, Hashmatullah Shahidi. And then KL Rahul got yet to another 50 after the lunch break, after getting to a couple of boundaries. Then Sai Sudarshan again hitting against Karauti, those three boundaries, getting to yet another 50. And also, Afghanistan has dropped so many crucial catches in the slip cordon as well as the wicket keeping as well. And that elegant cover drive against Ziaur Rahman literally stole the show. That was an elegant cover drive for shot for four by Sai Sudarshan. Then he played that defense, caught the edge, but went to the boundary. He was lucky. India was riding their luck when they were at the middle. And also, another point I'm telling you is that you see this team has been phenomenal. And then Sai Sudarshan are playing the sweep shot well to its perfection, executing well. And then that brilliant outswing delivery by Salim got the wicket of Sai Sudarshan. Sai Sudarshan was dismissed for yet another 81, but none other than a brilliant knock which helped India to a very commendable target. Or very good run partnership with KL Rahul, Sai Sudarshan, which helped India very much. And Sai Sudarshan has been phenomenal with that 80 knock. He has shown good consistency where he left off from IPL, from white ball cricket. He's showing that class and consistency and the temperament in red ball cricket. Sai Sudarshan has been phenomenal. And also Shubman Gill, the local boy, Chandigarh's share. So you see, Shubman Gill started pretty strong, hitting a couple of boundaries and playing those shots, those flicks over the covers. And then KL Rahul hitting that slip against Karauti, that sweep. And then Shubman Gill was getting to smashing boundaries and that brilliant lofted shot for six. And then KL Rahul was on 98. He took a flick for 2 runs and got to his 12th Test 100. He got to his 12th Test 100, and also just after scoring 100, he was dismissed. We have seen a lot in 2025 as well. Against England at Lords, when KL Rahul scored 100 at Lords, after scoring 100, he was got out. Then against West Indies at Ahmedabad, he also got out after scoring 100. And today at New Chandigarh Cricket Stadium, KL Rahul also got out. But those two deliveries which KL Rahul got out after scoring 100 was against spinners, like at Lords was Shoaib Bashir against England, and also Jamel Warrican against for the West Indies against KL Rahul at Ahmedabad. And also today that was pace, that was Ziaur Rahman who got the wicket of KL Rahul after scoring 100. KL Rahul has been a phenomenal knock of 100, has been phenomenal. That is a quality knock from a class batsman like KL Rahul. KL Rahul has been phenomenal. Then came Rishabh Pant. Rishabh Pant was not taking such risk. He was defensive in the beginning. Then he started to counter attack against Abdul Malik by hitting those three sixes, and the way he has executed those three sixes to perfection. Rishabh Pant has been phenomenal. And then the way Shubman Gill hit that shot of the covers, that was a picture perfect shot. Hold the pose, calm and consistent. And also, Shubman Gill got to a 50. Then the way Shubman Gill was not taking those risks, was calm and composed. And also, when Shubman Gill was on 99, he was not taking risk. His father was watching him in the stands and he was helling his nerves. And also, Shubman Gill got to yet another 100 in the 11. He got to yet another 100 in Test cricket. His 11 Test 100. Where he left off in his captaincy debut, scoring a magnificent 100 at Leeds, then to a magnificent double 100 at Edgbaston, then to a magnificent 150, 160 plus at Birmingham, Edgbaston in the second innings, then to a fighting 100 at the iconic Emirates Old Trafford, Manchester, that to draw that Test match from Shubman Gill, and also got to a magnificent 100 against the West Indies at the brilliant 100 against the West Indies at the Arun Jaitley Cricket Stadium against the West Indies. And today, a magnificent 100 by Shubman Gill at his home ground, the new Chandigarh Cricket Stadium. The local boy, the captain of the Indian cricket team, Shubman Gill, has been phenomenal. Extraordinary phenomenal. And also, another point is that Shubman Gill as captain, he has been a phenomenal and he's leading the team with the bat. As I said in my video, that Shubman Gill said that he wants to lead the team with the bat and put some good runs on the board. Shubman Gill has been phenomenal with the bat. And then Rishabh Pant was not taking risk, and also the way he was taking smashing boundaries and got to yet another 50, and then came stumps. That was a magnificent day for India. We also saw 300 plus put up against England in English conditions in Leeds, with Yashasvi Jaiswal scoring 100, Shubman Gill scoring 100, then Rishabh Pant scored a 50 in day one of the Leeds game. That was Shubman Gill's captaincy debut game. So, and also KL Rahul also batted well in that game. So we have also seen that as well. That's been the highest, that has been a good target put up on D1 by Team India at New Chandigarh Cricket Stadium. So it has been a phenomenal day. Well played, Shubman. Keep going well tomorrow. And also, especially Rishabh Pant, go well tomorrow. You all played well. Hope you play well, even more better well tomorrow. So you have been phenomenal on day one. Very well played, Shubman Gill, KL Rahul and Rishabh Pant. Keep going well tomorrow as well. So that's all for today. Till then, keep watching my YouTube channel. I'll keep giving you the match report of day 2, day 3, day 4 and day 5 of this one-off test between India and Afghanistan. So till then, stay tuned. That's all for today. I'll get you the match report of day 2 of this one-off test between India and Afghanistan tomorrow. So till then, stay tuned.